Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Citroen C4 Cactus. So this car is free to tax. Some of its features include 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around.